Yo brothers, this is the second day of Las Vegas. I decided to go to the Grand Canyon. I'm gonna drive there. It's a 4-hour drive. I'm also gonna stop at the Hoover Dam. That's about it. This place is huge. The whole structure is huge. What I find very interesting is how the mountain has two colors. Where there was water, it's white, and then the upper side of the mountain is black.
You guys are still friendly, or you guys engineering.
I would love to stay a little bit longer here, but we gotta go to Grand Canyon. It's a long trip, 4-hour drive, and it's gonna take a while. We came all the way up so we can see. This is one of the best feelings ever, man. Just driving to nowhere. Flagstaff, Phoenix. We're going to Flagstaff, mate. So I stopped at the gas station. I need to put some gas in the car. We're in Arizona, 20 minutes away from the Grand Canyon. We got some statues here, some metal statues with Indians, which is kind of cool. And this is how the gas station looks like. We have here Chief Alul Bapuke. And brothers, we got to the Grand Canyon. I mean, we're not there yet, but we're gonna get there in 5 minutes. And this is how the road looks like. We got a forest, nice beautiful forest. Up until now we had only desert, but now there's a forest. $35 to get in. Brothers, so we got to the Grand Canyon just in time. The sun is going down. There's not gonna be light anymore, and right now we're gonna see the Grand Canyon. Wow. Wow. Look how the line of the sun. This is probably the best time of the day to see this. Wow, the golden hour. This is amazing. I'm speechless. I thought it's gonna be beautiful, but I didn't think it's gonna be this beautiful. In pictures it usually looks big, but now it looks even bigger. In real life it's humongous. Este e frumos. And now, to get a sense of the scale of this place, look at the people right there, how small they are comparing to the gigantic canyon. Wow, look at the colors. Imagine jumping with something, with one of those suits that you fly, or thank you very much for supporting me on Patreon. If you want to become a supporter, you can do that too. There's a link in the description. You can also follow me on Instagram, Alex Enlescu Design, or artist Alex Enlescu, where I post all of my oil paintings and high-end interior designs. And you can also visit my website, alexenlescu.com. Cheers.